Hi, Montessori 1. It's Miss Kyndal and Samuel. Say hi, Samuel.
Hi.
Say, we're going to have a lesson today on the sound book. Can you say sound book?
Sound book.
Very good. All right, here we go. All right, open it up. Say apple.
Apple.
Say axe.
Axe.
Say astronaut.
Astronaut.
Say ah. Say balloon.
No.
Where's balloon? Say boat.
Boat.
Say bed.
Bed.
Say
Ba.
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 Very good. Say cat.
Cat.
Say carrot.
Carrot.
Say cap.
Cap.
Say k. Turn the page. Say duck.
Duck.
Say dog.
Dog.
Say doll.
Dog.
Say d. Say egg.
Egg.
Say elephant. Say edge.
That's it. Egg.
It is, but we say edge. Say eh. Very good, baby. Turn the page. Good job. Say fish.
Fish.
Say flag.
Flag.
Say fence. Say Say ghost.
Ghost.
Say go.
Go.
Say gate.
That's green.
Say gate.
Gate.
Say g. Turn the page. Say hat.
Hat.
Say hen.
Hen.
Say heart.
Heart.
Say Very good. Say igloo.
Igloo.
Say Indian.
Indian.
Say it.
No.
Say eh. Very good. Now turn the page. Say jug.
Jug.
Say jet.
Jet.
Say jack in the box.
Second one.
Say j. Say kite.
Kite.
Say key. Say kangaroo.
Balloon.
Say k. Very good. Now turn the page. Up, not in. Up. Say lake.
Lake.
Say lamp.
Lamp.
Say log.
Log.
Say l. Say moon.
Moon.
Say mouse.
Duck.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Say mop.
Mop.
Say nut.
Nut.
Look up here. Nut.
Nut.
Say nest.
Nest.
Say net.
Net.
Say